Hi, this is Whitney, and I hope this video finds you well. I wanted to do a short segment on why estate planning is so important and why having powers of attorney, both for financial matters and medical decisions, is important. First, with regard to a will, it's important because you want to decide where your property goes. You don't want the state deciding that. Grief is a funny thing. It affects people differently and families differently. And in a time when people are dealing with such a loss, you don't want them trying to figure out how you wanted your property divided and who gets what. Oftentimes that can lead to hurt feelings. It can lead to long-lasting sort of grudges between family members, and all of that can be avoided if you do proper estate planning. So I highly recommend that you look at your will, if you have one, make sure it says what you want to say, and if you don't have a will, consider making an appointment with me, and I'm happy to discuss the process, make it streamlined, and make it easy for you. It does not have to be some daunting thing to get a will. In fact, it can be quite easy and quite simple, and here at the Pennington Law Firm, we really try to make that happen for you. With regards to powers of attorney, both are crucial, financial and medical. Financial, of course, you designate someone, and usually a backup or alternate, that can make financial decisions for you should you be incapacitated. That's important because if something happens to you and you are incapacitated, then someone needs to be able to provide for your care, pay your debts, and take care of your overall financial well-being. Medical powers of attorney are also necessary because they give a person the ability to put you in somewhere if you need some care, hospice, a nursing home, rehab. If you're incapacitated and can't make those decisions, then you need someone who can. A lot of people don't realize if you don't have those two documents, you have to go through the process of guardianship and conservatorship. This can be somewhat of a lengthy process at times. It can be contested, and it's entirely more costly to go through that process than if we did some simple planning in the beginning and up front. If you have any questions about anything I've covered, I'd be happy to speak with you. Please call the office at 276-477-1422, and we will be happy to discuss your estate planning needs. We look forward to seeing you soon.